Okay, normally I'm not supposed to bring this post or talk about this guy called Critics News in any video at all, but I have to because those who claim they are most intelligent and smartest person in Biafra movement in Biafra government in exile, and those who have been riding around PM claiming that they are upright, that the reason why sun is shining and all that, have actually forced him to start talking about Biafra again after receiving warning from PM in the past. Critics News is not my enemy, but I hate, people who love to take advantage of somebody's weakness to devour the person or blackmail or cajole the person for no just reason. Now, the post we are seeing here is Adadorama trying to put some clarity based on what is going on, which I'm not in support, neither am I against, because what I don't know is bigger than me, right? Because I'm not a member of any caucus or any executive meeting. So anybody expecting me to jump out and start supporting party A or party B, you are not normal, because I can't do that. Why? Until I have the credible information that proved that what people are painting outside is actually how it is. So how can people go in and have a meeting and have issue with the meeting, and I'm not a part of the meeting, or I'm not in a group where that they're having the meeting? They come out and start making some critics against each other, and you expect me to be the one to resolve it. I need to know the problem before I can, offer solution, right? That's where I see it now. But Critics News trying to venture into that and using that as a yardstick to, to prove a point is a no-no for me. He said, "Now so then drag me like a tiger generator when I asked Simon Ekpa why he was lying to his followers. Today they are fighting themselves." Do you understand what he's trying to do? He's trying to make it look like that accusation he made in the past against PM is non-valid. The question again it should be, Critics News, what lie are you talking about? Because if you want to use this kind of thing to justify your act, you should also remind us the lies that PM told you or you observed that made you to actually question him then. Then we cannot connect the dots just like we are connecting it at the moment. You see the problem I have with, self-haters of Igbo people. Joy killers. They are always like this. Harvesting people's joy to their own upliftment. Anybody who somehow have an issue with PM will say, yeah, you see, giving criticism understand what I already know. You see, but the problem is that, or the truth is that, Critics News issue with the PM could be remarkably different from what you think or what you feel about PM. This video is not about PM, is about our people. So don't get it twisted. But I'm trying to tell you or trying to explain to you what Critics News is trying to achieve with this. Now, you are going to listen to the video that he shared, and this video is a program of Adada Ramma. I'm gonna play it now so that you will also know what he's trying to say and why. See if you can connect connect the dots. Okay.
Even this man with too much confusion. Biafrans are talking nothing or getting name. Biafrans, nothing is happening. Nothing. Oh, now, but this we have the house intact to nanka the house today. Come on, will end day. Yan on Ebefano, Nachin of Bebonoso. Oh, will do not like it, control everything. Oh, when do you know Nakakosi? Oh, yes, not going also. Enough is enough for this nonsense. Oh, no, I can always. Only be on a raining cow, now, or Doria. Oh, now this is finance minister. My phone, or yeah, but I bet it's no matter here. One, if I couldn't done some stop, can you stop? Their friends are calling me. There is a lot of and you made a distance. They might believe that they will a problem, but there is no problem. Biafra, there is no problem. More when you are done and there is no problem. Any put on no one our John Madden, this is trouble. You jack up to me. Or one way that the person will come out alone. And the one that is now, Japan from Biafra, we trust that person. fear in a Biafra Abakoya Wasi. Biafra calculating it. Biafra now for what is going on. Omoloni woni believe. Omoloni police. Omoloni Yinueli. Call a spade a spade. Call a spade a spade. Oh, more than 1 week. I need to catch you how many thousands of people Biafra in Biafran land. Now with the joy. This man of Pataia rubbish. As some will be anketing. Most stop what I can do is I can never stop and those about talk. Talk what I can talk with you talk to the Batan inside the Biafran government. The bank go yani soon. Oh, I just stop what you name. Do you know why my joy? My joy is Biafra is very intact. And you know my joy? Biafran angel. Nobody can stop them. Nobody. Nobody. No matter confusion. As no fundraising or such.
Now, Adadorama is trying to explain her own side of the story. I want us to understand this. Everybody gathered together in Finland and declared Biafra, right? And as they declared Biafra, probably they may be having, that's what we can see now. Some of them are having issue among themselves then, even before the Finland Convention. They were managing everything. Everything was okay. Now, finance minister is not happy because of, I don't know. But what I can feel or what I can see on social media in the public domain, it simply means that because Ngozi is a woman, that's chief of staff, is a woman, and how can she be that kind of feeling. Some men are like that. No, but even if you bring them to live in a White House for 10 years, they will still have that mentality that women are rags. They don't deserve to be anything. I'm not saying that that is the mindset of the way finance minister see women or perceive women. I'm just telling you because there's a video that I also react on it of Master Prophet. That's why you need to subscribe on this channel and follow us as well. We will be bringing it one after another. I am not here to tag or target any individual, but for us to have this clear, mind, so that your objective will be, in line with what is going on. You don't need to listen to one party and start jumping up and down. In the chief of staff they are criticizing has been representing Biafrans in many occasions before now. Finance minister they are criticizing has been representing Biafran before now. The issue is that finance minister based his representative in US alone, whereas COS based her representative in representing Biafra. She represents Biafra globally. We have seen her in Korea, South Korea. We have also seen her in other parts like in Europe and in Japan, I believe. So why are we now seeing both of them? Oh, you don't need to do this, you don't need to do that. It is wrong. Ask yourself this question before PM. Before they invite him, I don't want to say arrest because nobody arrests him. Before the Finnish government call him for investigation, have you seen COS represent Biafrans or not? Have you seen finance minister represent Biafrans or not? The answer is yes, right? Among these two people, who do you think that the world talk more about? Like the people in the outside world see her as second in command to PM. Be honest. Be honest. Who do you think that PM portray to the people to world stage that this person is representing Biafra globally? Who do you think? Ask yourself the question. To me, I believe COS is the one, because she's not representing in US alone. She had traveled on behalf of Biafrans in World Women Convention. She was there representing Biafra. Do you remember when DOS was claiming that her videos in Korea was photoshopped? that is a deep video. Do you remember that? And she went on another assignment, national assignment, where she was telling people that this video that I am the cameraman was and her crew were saying, "Oh, we are not a deep fake. We are not deep fake. This is not fake. This is not Photoshop." The same thing that Minister of Sports and his crew, of course, crew members did as well. They were playing reference play football match in Portugal. So why are we now all of a sudden DOS she's opposing danger to freedom? Oh, finance minister is opposing danger to freedom. Some people are just actually making it look like that. I don't know if that is true. That finance minister is cousin to Ifa Yoba. So all of a sudden, within 2 weeks, he's now a cousin to Ifa Yoba. So he was not cousin to Ifa Yoba. No, now he is cousin to Ifa Yoba. What I'm trying to tell us is this: do we have Sabo or not? The answer is yes. Can any of them become Sabo overnight? Yes, it is possible. But do you think that they are Sabo? Who do you think is Sabo? People are very, very, funny. We have not seen Biafra Liberation Army in their video because some of them are making video in the public. We have not seen any of them complaining. Oh, we have been starving for 2 years now, for 3 days now, no food, no water. We have not seen that. We have not seen them complaining that government should sit up because things are no longer the way it is. Why is it that media warriors and those broadcasters are the one carrying it on their head, ranting and complaining about what is not existing, turning what is not in existence to make it look like is inexistent? Some of them actually threaten Biafrans. I saw a post. I'm not going to flash the post here because it is very, very funny. That you should say something, otherwise you go to the dark book of a record and there's no forgiveness coming from somebody that Biafran have forgiven. I mean, you have played a foul play in the past, and Biafran forgive you. They forgive you many times, not one, not two, and you are here telling Biafrans that there will not be forgiveness if you do not support you. My people, these brothers are having misunderstanding. Okay, both of them, and replying and insulting anybody, you are not getting it right. I'm not blaming Adada Ramma. Yes, I will expect her to pipe low somehow, but when you look at Sonak Brawa and his group, you also feel that they are also doing, talking like a woman, and even they insult Biafrans more than Adada Ramma. So I'm not saying you should antagonize anybody. What I'm trying to tell you is that all of them are making mistake. I keep on saying this, they're making mistake. Can you imagine that COS, who is a woman, talk less than the so-called men? What is going on? I'm not calling any of them names, but what I'm saying is, like I always say, they have all made them, even COS have made a mistake. But is that mistake does not warrant you pinning people down for you to become somebody or for you to look so innocent or whatever. To me, I don't buy the idea. I don't think it's the best way to do it. I don't think it's the best way to go about it. Learn how to stand. Ask yourself a question before you start. You claim that you know it all. You want to make peace. You want to support Party A, Party B. It is not good. Let us use our brain, please. Thank you. And don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe if you're new. God bless you all. Bye-bye for now.